Another quick update. This is the end of day 5. It's 11:30 at night. And, I'm feeling good. Ate regular meals. Not coughing as much. Backed off the medications other than the prescribed cancer slowing pill that they subscribed for me. Stool softener I've come off of, and the Vicodin I've come off of as well. So I'm feeling pretty good. Still sensitive, of course, when you go to cough. The stitches and the bandages and then bandages will start falling off again after I take a shower. But other than that, I'm feeling pretty good. Of course, I'm stuck with a bag for. It's like I'm stuck with the bag for another 5 days because today's the 13th. I go get got to drop up there for the post on the 18th. So five days left with the bag, and then we'll find out whether should have the results of the lymph nodes on that appointment. So that's where I'm at. Hey, Dana. Yeah, watch my blog. It's on the human drama and my 7th day of recovering after having my prostate removed. At this point, I am pretty much fully functional. Really can't lift anything, but as far as mobility, I'm in good shape. I was up and around most of the day, doing some things around the house, and we went shopping. So had to hit the restroom once to make sure. Well, empty my bag, and then keeping an eye on how I felt while I was doing anything. I didn't get any rushes or fatigue moments or anything of that nature. Tomorrow, I've actually got some concrete being delivered. Unfortunately, I can't do anything as far as spreading it or any physical quote labor. So I'm hoping the boys that I hired to do it are going to be here on time and everything's going to go smoothly, and then that will complete pretty much my buildings for my automotive refurbishing and getting them ready to sell. So other than that, Friday is my post appointment for letting me know where I stand. Hopefully I'll get this bag off of me, and then I can start slowly moving into my normal routine. So other than that, thanks for watching. This is my 3rd day now after having the catheter taken out. I'm getting a little bit stronger, but still it's not, no, definitely not keeping me from urinating uncontrollably, put it that way. So what I'm doing is, in that last video I just did, the briefs and the pads. So I'm doing a combination of both of those, and that's working great because the pad will fill up, and then the overflow is backed up by the brief. So right now I'm using two pads and 2 briefs. So hopefully I'm able to get it down to just two pads with the brief as a backup, and then maybe next week, because we're going into next week, you know, working days. This is over the weekend, so depending on how much water you drink, you know, it's gonna have a lot to do with how many pads you're gonna need. So the briefs by themselves aren't gonna work right now. So you just got to keep an eye on yourself. I'd say about every 6 hours, check to make sure that pad hasn't, isn't full. But that's basically where I'm at, and that's the way it seems to be working well for me. Is using a pair of briefs and then supplementing it with the pads. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You'll catch me on Dana Crosby's blogs under, I guess I want to say, human drama.